In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll delve deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, providing you with an extensive understanding of its core concepts, historical context, significance, and the various levels on which it operates. Often abbreviated as AI, artificial intelligence is a remarkable creation by humans. What sets AI apart is its capacity to perform tasks intelligently without explicit step-by-step instructions. In essence, AI seeks to emulate human intelligence by leveraging the tools and principles of computer science. At its core, AI relies on a multitude of algorithms, with machine learning and deep learning emerging as pivotal components. Artificial intelligence has undergone a remarkable evolution over the years. Early AI systems were rule-based and had limited capabilities. However, with the advent of powerful computing technologies and the development of sophisticated algorithms, AI has made substantial strides. These advancements have enabled AI to excel in tasks such as natural language processing, image recognition, and even autonomous decision-making. But why does artificial intelligence matter? To answer this question, we must consider AI from both technical and philosophical angles. On a technical level, AI serves as a tool designed to amplify human capabilities and facilitate advanced decision-making. Imagine AI systems assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases, predicting climate patterns to mitigate environmental disasters, or optimizing supply chain management to ensure products reach consumers efficiently. These real-world applications illustrate how AI can revolutionize industries and enhance our daily lives. Philosophically, AI holds the potential to reshape our lives by alleviating the burden of mundane tasks and contributing to a more harmonious society. At present, AI already plays a pivotal role in streamlining processes, automating tasks, and making data-driven predictions across various industries. The impact of AI on society is profound. From self-driving cars promising safer roads to AI-driven virtual assistants making our lives more convenient, AI has become an integral part of the modern world. To truly appreciate the trajectory of AI in 2023, it's essential to glance back at its historical roots. The concept of intelligent beings has been intertwined with human culture for centuries, from ancient Greek myths to the creation of automata by Chinese and Egyptian engineers. However, modern AI, as we understand it today, began to take shape in the mid-20th century, specifically in the 1940s and 1950s. During this period, pioneers like Alan Turing laid the theoretical foundation for AI by exploring the idea of machines that could simulate human intelligence. In 1956, AI was formally established as an academic discipline at Dartmouth College, with John McCarthy often credited as its founding figure. From its early days of symbolic AI to the neural networks and deep learning techniques we employ today, AI has evolved significantly. The timeline of AI development is marked by breakthroughs and challenges, showcasing the resilience of scientists and engineers in this field. Within the realm of AI, several distinct levels exist. First, we have narrow AI, also known as weak AI. This form of AI is goal-oriented, focusing on performing specific tasks efficiently. However, it operates within predefined limitations and does not truly replicate human intelligence. You'll encounter narrow AI in technologies such as chatbots and speech recognition systems like Siri. On the opposite end of the spectrum, we find general AI, often referred to as strong AI or deep AI. General AI represents the holy grail of artificial intelligence. It aspires to emulate human intelligence comprehensively, granting machines the ability to apply their intellect to a wide array of challenges. Achieving this level of AI has proven to be a monumental scientific challenge, requiring the development of cognitive abilities akin to human thought processes. Lastly, there is the concept of artificial superintelligence, ASI, which currently resides purely in the realm of speculation. ASI envisions an AI system that surpasses human capabilities and potentially becomes self-aware. This hypothetical concept has captured the imagination of science fiction writers, as it raises profound questions about the potential consequences and impact of such a superintelligent entity. AI skills demand. The demand for AI skills has surged dramatically in recent years. According to Indeed, job postings in the field of AI have increased by an impressive 119%. Today, tasks that once required hours of computation can be accomplished in mere minutes thanks to advancements in image processing algorithms. As businesses across various industries recognize the transformative power of AI, they are actively seeking professionals with AI expertise. The skills required to work in AI are diverse, ranging from programming and data analysis to machine learning and deep neural networks. AI career roles. If you're considering a career in AI, you'll find a diverse array of job roles awaiting you. However, each of these roles demands a unique skill set. Let's delve into some of these roles and the essential skills required for each. Machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineers specialize in designing and implementing machine learning algorithms. They need a strong background in mathematics, programming, and data analysis. Data scientist. Data scientists work with large data sets to extract valuable insights. They require expertise in statistics, data visualization, and programming languages like Python. AI research scientist. AI research scientists focus on pushing the boundaries of AI technology through research and development. They need a deep understanding of AI algorithms and a strong research background. The opportunities in the AI field are vast and continually expanding. Whether you're interested in healthcare, finance, robotics, or any other industry, AI offers exciting career prospects. In closing, this tutorial has provided you with a comprehensive understanding of artificial intelligence in 2023. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone seeking to deepen their knowledge in the field, this foundational knowledge will undoubtedly serve as a valuable starting point. If you found this information enlightening and beneficial, we encourage you to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging AI tutorials and the latest updates. Thank you for embarking on this AI journey with us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights in our upcoming videos. AI is a dynamic and ever-evolving field, and we invite you to be part of its exciting future.